Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today, and today's video is about Jackson Pollock's paint techniques. And his paint techniques were very creative and expressive and really a joy to look at. If you've ever seen any of his wonderful big large canvases, you can see how expressive his art is. And what he done is he really changed the art world because he put the canvas on the ground and you could see where he was throwing the paint. So this meant they were movement paintings. And here, while yes, I've only got a little sketchbook, which is not good or bad, it's just what it is. It's ideal for me to just walk around my table and throw the paint on in different ways. But he used a very large canvases where he would walk around the canvas and put the paint on in different ways, which meant that it was a new form of expression in painting, and lots of different art creatives took it on, like dancers and performance artists. Some of those people gave it a go. So as you can see, I'm using all kinds of things to put the paint on. Paint brushes and squirters and all kinds of things, and I'm not being fussy about the kind of paint or how it's applied, and that is exactly the way that he used the technique. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, leave them below. But that's all for now. Happy being creative. Bye.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, so our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all.